Hello everyone, and thank you so much for joining me today for another Stampin' Sunday video. This is Laura Buechler of Inkyfingers Papercrafting, your independent Stampin' Up demonstrator in Nanaimo, BC. Today I'm going to show you how to make a fun and colorful card using the Hues of Happiness bundle and the gorgeous new In colors. These products will be available in just a few days, starting Tuesday, May 3rd. Before we dive into making the card, I want to take a moment to introduce these gorgeous new In colors. Stampin' Up introduces 5 new on-trend colors every year as a temporary addition to our core color collection. This year, the colors are Sweet Sorbet, Parakeet Party, Tahitian Tide, Starry Sky, and Orchid Oasis. They will be with us until May of 2024. Stampin' Up's colors are consistent across their products, so you can choose cardstock, ink pads, ribbon, embellishments, designer series paper, blends, markers, and even glimmer paper in these beautiful colors. I am loving the Happiness Abounds bundle and experimenting with all the different ways I can create these beautiful flowers. Today, I'm going to create them by stamping with Night of Navy ink on all 5 In color cardstocks. I'll stamp leaves on Parakeet Party and flowers on all the rest. Then I'll cut everything out with the coordinating dies. Did you know you can get a stack of 6x6-inch designer series papers in any of our color families? Brights, neutrals, subtles, regals, or In colors. You'll get a few sheets of each color and all in these same 4 fun designs. This year, the designs are polka dot, flowers, stripes, and gingham. I'm also going to use one of the Stitched with Whimsy dies on my white cardstock. I'll stamp a sentiment on my card using Starry Sky ink. The sentiment is also from the Happiness Abounds stamp set. Now I'm ready to assemble my card. I'll embellish with some In color matte dots. And there's my finished card. Remember that you'll get a chance to win this card when you share the video from my public Facebook page. Leave a comment below to let me know that you've shared, and maybe I'll be sending you this card in the mail. Thanks so much for watching, everyone. I really appreciate it, and I hope you enjoyed the video. Please drop me a comment below and let me know what you think. And if there's something specific that you'd like to learn about, just ask. Remember that you can purchase all the products shown on my website, inkyfingers.ca, where you'll also find all the current catalogs, current promotional details, my events calendar, lots of tutorials and videos, and the sign up for my email newsletter. Have a great day, everyone, and happy stampin'! Bye!